So hi Mikey, good morning. We're going to fix your pen today. Well, up close with a goat. Hi goat. So Mikey's about 3 years old, I think. And I got him on a really cold February day. Adding a paper for a couple of girls, couple does, and a buck. And price was so-so. And tootled up there, cold night, cold stretch. We get up there, and these guys are teeny tiny, and they're in a hog wire pen with no windbreak up on the higher flat mesas near here, and just freezing and shivering. And they hopped up on me, and they're like, "Oh, please buy us." And I tell you what, I mean, by the pound, it was the most expensive goat I think I've ever gotten. They were scrawny and nothing. They weren't on any replacement formula, and they weren't eating grain yet and hay. So brought them home, fired up the stove in my shop, and they cuddled up to the stove. Then they started licking the stove because it was warm. They'd burn their little tongue, and then they'd shake their head, and they'd burn their little tongue again, keep licking the stove. And then a couple of weeks, they were jumping up on my power tools, and it was time to move them outside. But they sure do look good, and I'm happy to have them. And his daughter just lives with our friends the Ortegas, and one of his daughters just had her first kid last night. So that's really cool. It's really neat that that sort of thing keeps going. Oh, there's Polly waving high in front of the camera. Hi, Polly.
Hi, Daddy.
So there's Mike.
But they have had babies successfully before. So. Yeah. I used to
Testing a new fence, huh, Mikey? Come on. One more good one. Come on. There we go. Oh, it's weak. There we go.
Come on, Mikey, get a running start on it.
There we go. Nice.
I don't want to go through right away. I gotta make it enjoyable for me too.
It's like popping a bubble.